In this one bedroom house, I will be changing the wall colors and changing the tiles on the floor to give this one bedroom house a beautiful look. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe. Highly appreciate it. Encourage me to do more videos like this. So with my one bedroom house, I will be changing up how things look. So I'll be changing the colors on the wall and changing the tiles on the floor. So as you can see, I already changed the wall to a green look, and I just changed tiles on the floor. So you can change whatever style and color you want to make your house look in real time. So this is the change of the tiles. So now we are in the kitchen and living. As you can see, the default color is gray and the floor is like a wooden brown. So we got to change the wall color to a different color and change the floor to tiles. So this is very flexible, so you can color your house, your walls, in whatever color you like, just about any color, and look on it and just smile. If this video is interesting or educational, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. So as you can see, I changed the tiles on the floor. So it don't have the wooden look anymore. No, you can see I changed the color of the wall. So inside I have a total different look. So we move on to the bedroom. So as you can see, this wall is grey and the floor have that wooden look. So just pay attention while you see I change this color and pattern of tile on the floor. What color? So here you go, the wall. They put the wall in white. So it was grey, and we changed it from grey to white. So now we gotta work on the tiles for the floor. So we're changing up how things look. So inside looking good, but we gotta make it look better. Here you go, tiles. So we tile the floor and look at it in real time. So now you can see the walls white, floor tile, and then we're moving on to the bathroom. Default color gray. We gotta change things up. We gotta put this wall in blue. So there's a floor. Put it in black tiles, and we gotta get this wall in blue. There you go. Change things up. So it was beautiful before. Look better now. So you can change these walls to whatever color you want. See an overview of the inside, different colors. This is the glass view. So you can put your walls, even the kitchen cupboard and fixtures, you can change the color to whatever color you like it to. So you can set inside of this house what you want it to be in real lifetime. Look at it. This is a very fun thing to do and look at. So I will give you a view of this building, one room house with the flat top. Like for instance, concrete decking, this is what it would look like without the hip roof. So that's a flat top. A view of the flat top. So if you're concrete slab at the top, this is what it would look like. So it's optional. You can look on it from on, and now I will put on the hip roof. And this is the next view. So you can look at this thing from all view and all angle and make a decision, which is a very good thing. So you can just watch this video to the end, see what's going on. Remember to leave a like, subscribe, comments. That's all for now, folks. See you in my next video. Bye bye.